Bren. Thank you, Wix Studio One, for sending me this piece to review. If y'all have not checked them out, it is wixstudio1.com. She also offers a Facebook group. It is a private group of about 5,400 women, and they're all suffering from hair loss, whether it may be from chemotherapy, trichotillomania, if you're just naturally thinning, whatever the case may be. We would love to have y'all there. Today, I am doing a review over Jon Renau's Kendall in Salted Caramel. This color is so dynamic. It is not a subtle color. So it's FS26 31S6. That's a lot. It's got a dark brown root, and that's the 6 at the end. But then it's got some kind of caramely auburn blend with some beautiful blonde highlights. So pretty. Kendall has an open weft cap, and so that'll help air get in there. She has a single mono top, and that means you can part it any direction. Lace front. And here's the, I guess that's felt. I always call it velvet. And it's got the bendable stays. I'm trying to think. She does have a little permatease at the ear, but nothing crazy. She's got the extended nape, and she's got the root around the back, so I like that. Velcro adjusters. Ooh, and these are good ones. So if you get it, when you get it into your spot, just leave it so it doesn't wear the Velcro out. Okay, let's put her on. She's cute, huh? She's got some really cute waves. She tucks behind the ear really well. You can't see. This is my hair. I always leave it out, but I could probably pull my hair back and then tuck it under. So she's not real thick. I mean, she has very, very little permatease. Very little. Which is, it's nice to find that in an open wefted cap. She has some right here. Okay, let's go over her measurements. From my hairline to the tip of my chin is 8. My neck is 4, and my head is 21 inches around. This fits me really well. I mean, the cap fits me so much better than Aesthetica or Gabor. This is better for my small head. Okay, her bangs are 10.75. The sides are 9.25. The nape is 5.75. And the crown is 12. Let's take a look at her lace front. And the lace goes to here. And you could put bangs in her. You could part her this direction and it would look like scalp. You could do down the middle. There's a lot of cute ways that you could style this piece. Okay, let's go outside and get a look at her in natural light. Hi guys, look how pretty this is. Now she does have quite a bit of permatease right here. Hold on. Yeah, I guess I wasn't getting in her very good. She doesn't have it very much here compared to here. I'm glad it came out and really felt inside of her good. Okay guys, I hope that helped. Bye. Like and subscribe.